Hi everyone, I made a tool with Unreal that display charts based on data, and I'm going to show you how it works. So I made a really simple spreadsheet. This is the annual earnings of these companies. Let's download it with CSV. Here we go. Let's open it with this notepad. Let's copy it and let's go to Unreal and let's paste it here and save, and ta-da, it displayed as a 3D chart the values. Let's do once more. Here I have countries by population, and let's download it again. These are the countries. Let's copy it and paste it here, and boom, here we go. So that's the tool. I just playing with it for the last 2 hours. I made a raw prototype, but I think that's pretty cool, and I'm gonna work on it some more. If you have any inputs, please let me know in the comments. Maybe I will publish some early version of it. Okay, thanks for watching. Cheers, guys.